Excellence assured, pre-purchase inspection for Mercedes, Simi Valley. Comprehensive vehicle overview. Assessing body condition, paint quality, and potential signs of previous damage or repairs. Examining upholstery, electronics, and overall interior condition for wear or malfunction. Engine and mechanical assessment. Comprehensive evaluation of engine performance, fluid levels, and potential leaks. Examining the chassis, suspension, and exhaust system for wear or damage. Transmission and drivetrain evaluation. Assessing the transmission's responsiveness and shifts for optimal operation. Verifying drivetrain components for wear and proper functioning. Electrical system analysis. Utilizing specialized tools to check for electronic faults and error codes in the vehicle systems. Testing the battery's condition and output for reliability. Performance testing and road assessment. Conducting a road test to evaluate handling, braking, and overall vehicle performance. Validating key performance aspects against Mercedes standards. Fluid quality and component checks. Examining the quality of essential fluids like oil, coolant, and brake fluid for potential issues. Assessing crucial components such as brakes, tires, and belts for wear and maintenance needs. Documentation and reports. Providing a comprehensive report outlining findings and recommendations. Reviewing the vehicle's service history for insights into past maintenance. Consultation and Recommendation. Discussing inspection findings and offering insights for informed purchase decisions. Providing guidance on potential maintenance needs based on the inspection.